Yangzhou Dongtai Solar Energy Company Limited is a professional manufacturer of solar battery and household solar system, etc., with more than 25 years' experience in China, committed to providing photovoltaic power generation systems worldwide. Yangzhou Dongtai Solar Energy Company Limited was established in 1988. At the beginning, it mainly produced marine batteries. After more than 10 years of continuous research and excellence in products, as well as the founder's keen insight into the market, it timely shifted from the field of traditional energy storage batteries to new ones. In the energy industry, environmental protection energy is regarded as the new development lifeline of enterprises. In addition to engaging in research and development, manufacturing, and sales of solar cells and modules, there is also a professional technical team designing photovoltaic power generation systems, aiming to become your professional photovoltaic supplier. The factory has a first-class manufacturing, engineering, and management system, and is committed to providing high-performance solar system-related products at competitive costs. In 2012, we registered the Torchin brand through precise positioning of the international market, insight into the photovoltaic energy market in Southeast Asia and African countries under the new situation, and added overseas warehouses in countries such as the Philippines and Nigeria. We have a complete certificate system for exporting to Europe and perfect sea and air transportation resources, and obtained the designated agency rights of several global brands, providing a solid backing for our global development.